Hey, hope you're doing great today. A quick video tip here on actually styling your content in your lessons. So if you've got a link, for instance, that where they go to a particular website, maybe you've got a tutorial and you want to send them to a website and you want to put a link in the content and you want that link to stand out. Maybe you want it to look like a button. What I'll do in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a button link, and you can also use that for buttons in your lessons page. So here we go. This will be really quick. We're in the lessons here in a masterclass, and I've got a link here in the lesson content. So here, this is the lesson I'm working on, and I've got a link here that says get your domain name. You know, you could have whatever link you want. And at the moment, if we have a look at the lessons page, we can see the link down there, and that's fine. But if you want it to look like a button, here's how you can do that. So if I go back to my content here and I go to view code, this is a little bit advanced, but I think you can pull it off. We can see the link there. The href is the actual link where it's going. Well, after that, or anywhere inside of this tag, I can add a class. So we do it like this. We type class equals, and then between two double quotes, we give it a class of button. Okay, so we're going to make it look like a button. Let's save that and take a look at what we've got so far. I'm just reloading the page, and now you can see we've got a button there, and the button will automatically match whatever design you've got going, whatever color mood you've got going. So that's a good start. If you want to make that button bigger, you can also add size. So we can say big there. All I've done is I've put a space there and the word big. Save changes. Reload the page. Maybe it was large. We'll try the other big word, large. There we go. Sorry about that. So we're looking at large. You can also do small and tiny. And if you want the button to expand the full width of this content area, you can also add the class expanded. Expanded like that. Save changes. Reload the page, and now you can see we've created a button. It's actually a link, but it looks like a button. So there's a quick tip on creating buttons in your masterclass lesson.